Greetings, everyone. Wanted to give you this one of the final updates for the rocket. Um, we're nearing completion for my updated nose cone. It's got a few things different about it, but what I really wanted to let everyone know about is that September is approaching fast. And if the weather and everything permits, I will be launching hopefully Friday the 1st or Saturday, might even be the weekend after that. We'll see what the Rocket Club wants to do. But thus far, I am 100% ready to attempt a level 1 flight. Next updates will be, I think I'll disassemble the rocket and actually show all the internals and all the little features about it. And then have kind of like not a demonstration video, but something along those lines to kind of like show how it's assembled, how it goes together. And of course we'll have a final inspection at the launch site before we fly. I don't know if I'll be able to like film the entire prep process, like getting everything right, because I'm going to be doing a couple things I've never done before, so I want to make sure I get it correct. But I will have help filming the actual flight, because this is going to be incredible. Got to have someone film the flight, so that'll definitely be filmed, and we'll see what else happens out there. But September is coming fast, and after this nose cone, I just want to attempt an updated version of the fin can. So if I can't get that pumped out in time, at least I have this fin can ready to go. It is ready to go. There's a few things I'd like to change about it, but it is flyable in my opinion, and it'll reach a pretty good altitude. We're thinking it's going to be right around, I want to say 1,800 feet, but I'm not 100% sure. But I just want to give you this quote-unquote final update, because we're getting pretty close to finishing all the printing, at least with this rocket. The second one's going to be even more insane. So until next time, just wanted to give you all these updates, and look forward to seeing you shortly. Happy printing!